Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I never knew diamond painting could be so mysterious. So last night it was late and I received a package. I had no idea what it was. Tracking numbers are crazy. Some packages I ordered 2 days ago, some I've ordered 12 weeks ago. I have no idea where they're at, where in the air, and one landed on my desk yesterday and I opened it. So explore this mystery with me and let's see where this journey takes us. Well, everyone, look what came in the mail today. I am so excited. I've been waiting forever for this. I think I know what it is, but we will see if I'm actually sure once we open it up, if I'm correct. You can see here it has been opened and taped and opened and taped. There's a couple postage marks here that they've continued to put more postage on it. I'm wondering if they're like, you know what, this looks really cool. Let's open it up and see what's in here. Maybe they did it for me. I'd kind of be disappointed because I think this is my mystery painting from my collab partner, Bryan. The size seems right and it's in a tube. So we're gonna see. And it was supposed to be delivered, oh my goodness, at some point right now. Okay, we're getting there, people. We're getting there. And if it is from where I think it is, and it is the one that Bryan picked out, it's from EverMoment. And EverMoment does a great job with their packaging, making sure that things are not damaged. And I've seen tubes before get broken and everything inside is still perfect. So yes, it is an EverMoment. And EverMoment, what I like about them is they understand about mystery painting. So it's pretty simple to talk with their customer service over there. EverMoment, oh my goodness, is amazing. They have their own branding, this beautiful purple bow. They send it in a tube. And yes, it is a little bit more costly. I splurge every now and then to purchase from them. I do think that they do a really great job on customs. I think their computer software is one of the better softwares. Yes, and they taped this so that way it stayed in place. So we're gonna open this. And then the tube normally says how many colors are in here. However, because it's a mystery painting, they try to limit how much information they are sharing. Okay, so here's their toolkit. And they now have added 2 squishies, wax, they are squares, so they have the pointy tweezers, and they have different 3-placers, and they also have a white tray. They do send some baggies. Oh, Rebecca, I finally got a green one. Green's my favorite color, and I've only ever gotten one other EverMoment besides this one, and that was my mystery painting with Rebecca, and I got washi tape. Super exciting. I think that's the best gift ever. Oh my goodness. We're going to look at these colors in a minute. So EverMoment does take the thumbnail off of both the inventory sheet, if they include one, and the image itself. So here is, woohoo, Bryan, it made it! The EverMoment mystery painting. It has 43 colors, OMG. Oh my goodness. And you can see here, you see the symbols okay? So they've got some really fun symbols, question mark, the @ sign, stars, the checkerboard. Now normally to flatten a canvas, you're gonna peel back this thing, right? I'm not looking, I promise. You're gonna peel this back and lay it down. However, because this is a mystery painting, I'm not gonna do that because I will see what it is. So I'm just doing the corners just to help a little bit flatten it. As you can see, I'm not cheating. I don't know what's under here. I don't know if it's a vertical or horizontal piece. We will see. What I plan on doing for mystery paintings is taking some duct tape in case I want to use a light pad and putting the duct tape across and creating a grid. So if I do use the light pad and cut little sections out, I can't see the image through the paper because the light pad will show the image. That would be cheating. They also sent the inventory list so I can kit this baby up, and they did remove anything that would tell me what was in here. All right, so these are the beautiful colors. I'm super excited to see. Look at that, they now even have added Ever Moment to the bag. Interesting. So, oh my goodness, these colors are gorgeous. Oh, I'm super excited. Brian, I'm sure you picked out something fabulous. So I can't wait to kit this up. I will probably use one of my little guys, one of these, to kit it up because it doesn't, because there's so many colors, it doesn't look like there's a lot of any one particular color. And so that might be a good storage system to use, or my little square 28 count ones. That might be a good one to use. I have this big one, I'll show you. I'm finishing up another collab. So this is 28 and 28. So this might be a good one to use for this project because they all can stay in this one container. So I might end up using this one. I have two of them. That one has the rhinestone still in it for my Waves of Sunshine I'm doing with Elizabeth Ensley. Oh, I never get these back. I would be fired from the warehouse. They would be like, kick me to the curb. Because I'd be like, here, will this fit in the tube? They'd be like, Chica, no. You need help. You need to go. I love this color. 154. It's beautiful. I think like 814 is another really beautiful red. I love. Oh my goodness. Brian, you did amazing. I'm so excited. And I can't wait for you to see what I picked out for you. So please, please, please check out Rebecca's Facebook group. This is where we are doing our mystery painting. We are starting as soon as everybody in the collab or in the event has received their mystery paintings. So be looking for the adventure and see what we get and how things turn out. So I'm super excited to kit this up this weekend and be ready for when Rebecca says go, so that Brian and I can work on this together. We also are kind of sidestepping and doing a collab, he and I. So be looking for videos down the road once the event starts. We are so excited to do a Ripley's Believe It or Not theme and come up with some really fun things to talk about. So please, please, please be on the lookout for the amazing collab with Bryan painting Elliot. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and I can't wait to see what this mystery holds. Bye-bye.